Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang po na subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. So, again, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. General reading, guys. Hindi personal. So, kung hindi ka makaka-relate, I understand. Sana intindihin mo rin dahil hindi nga to personal po. If you want to, follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Diyan ako magla-live. And also, sa Madam P Vlogs. Diyan lang ako magla-live muna sa ngayon. So, kung gusto mo ako makita ng live, i-follow mo ko dyan sa mga yan. Yung Madam P Vlogs, dito yan sa YouTube. Okay? Let's start. I will not take this. Masyadong marami. Kuha lang ako ng isa pa ha. Or dalawa actually. Dalawa for Libra. Okay. 9 of Cups is here. So, nakikita natin dito. I feel like tinatry mo yung best mo. You're giving your everything here with the 7 of Wands. Lahat ng alam mo, lahat ng kaya mo, lahat ng mga natutunan mo, ina-apply mo dito. You're giving your everything. And I feel like kailangan yung iba sa inyo ngayon, yung kailangan mo pa rin ng tulong. There's this 9 of Cups na I can see na kayang tumulong sa'yo. With a Knight of Wands, I feel like maybe may distance sa inyo nito or separation na nangyayari sa inyo nito person na to because I can see na for now wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Pero this person is not letting go. Hindi kanya pinapabayaan or hindi kanya ile-let go basta-basta with the 10 of Wands. I don't know kung may kinalaman nyo sa love. Pwedeng wala. Pwedeng that could be a family member, a friend, or whatever. Pero sa nakikita natin dito, with the 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords, this is you na gusto mo munang magpakalayo-layo. Gusto mo munang umalis. The Page of Cups, I can see a lot of offer here. And nakikita natin that with the 2 of Wands, meron pa rin namang plano itong person na ito. Just in case na magiging okay kung ano man yung separation na nangyayari sa inyo. I feel like there's a lot of distance. Kailangan mo na tulong eh. This person is willing to help. Pero ang tanong, nagtatanong ka ba kung nagsasabi ka ba kung kailangan mo na tulong or what? Kasi willing siya tumulong pero yun ay kung gusto mong magpatulong. Okay? Pero kasi sa nakikita ko, ikaw ay umiiwas, ikaw ay lumalayo sa kayang i-offer nitong taong ito. Okay? And anyway, let's clarify all the cards na nandyan, nakalatag. Okay. What's with the 7 of Wands? Spirit guides, angel guys, for the 7 of Wands. Yeah, so I feel like this is you. I don't know kung may pambabalak ba na nangyayari or this is you not welcoming yung person na ito. Whoever this person is, hindi mo siya wini-welcome. And I feel like may problema. We do have here the 9 of Wands. May problema, big challenge, and malaking pag-aaway or pagkakagulo ang nangyayari sa connection nyong dalawa. So this could be a person na pwedeng may pag-aaway or pagkakagalit na nangyayari. And you do have here the Hermit. For now, gusto mo munang tumahimik. For now, gusto mo munang mapag-isa. For now, ayaw mo na munang magpagulo. Maging magulo. Itong kung ano man ang problema or nagpapa-challenge sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, this is like your energy with the Hermit na parang, ayoko na muna. Kung ano man ba yung pagkakagulo, kung ano man changes or challenges na nangyayari sa amin, yun na muna yun. Bahala na muna yun. And we do have here the 6 of Pentacles. What's with the Six of Pentacles? Please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay, the Six of Pentacles, this is the person na willing tumulong sa'yo. Na nakita natin, we do have here the Hermit and the Knight of Swords. Sa ngayon, gusto na lang rin muna niya lumayo at manahimik. And kung ano man yung pananahimik na ginagawa mo, respeto niya yon. And then this person, gusto niya lang rin munang manahimik sa ngayon. So, pareho kayo nag-iiwasan. No, pero for what I can see here, this person will not let you go or will try to hold on. Kumbaga, itatry niyang i-hold on or wag kang umalis or wag kang lumayo completely. Maybe if you want space, you need space, I can give you that, pero hindi pa sana complete ending. And then we do have the Seven of Swords. So, nakikita natin yung pag-iwasan, paglalayuan ninyong dalawa nitong person na to. But this person is still willing to help you. So, what's with the Nine of Cups? Ano yung meron dito sa Nine of Cups na ito? Nine of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Cups. So I can see a lot of love, special energy here. So maybe importante siya para sa'yo. Importante ka rin para sa kanya. Both of you are like, kung ano man yung mga meron sa inyo ngayon, maybe malaki yung naging parte ninyo sa isa't isa kung bakit meron kayo niyan. So maybe may naitulong siya kung bakit meron ka niyan. May naitulong ka rin sa kanya kung bakit meron siya nun. A lot of pagtutulungan dito with the Page of Pentacles. I feel like someone here ay may mga ibinigay, may mga itinuro, may mga itinulong. So, for now, nakikita natin kung ano man yung pag-move on, paglayo na ginagawa ninyo. Maybe it is because, kumaga hindi pa rin naman, hindi mahirap tapusin. You know why? Kasi parang may nabuo na kayo na something big dito with the Ten of Cups. Maybe family, maybe friendship. So, may mga nabuo na talaga kayo dito sa connection ninyo. So, what's with the Knight of Wands? What's with the Knight of Wands for Libra, please? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter's sign. So, you do have here the Queen of Swords. So, may pagka-cut off, may pagka-cut off. Now, although mahirap, masakit, parang with the Magician, may mga bagay na sa ngayon, kailangan mo nang gawin. But I feel like someone here is not being honest. Someone here wants to talk. Someone here wants to hindi siya nagiging honest sa mga nasa isip niya, emotions niya. And I feel like that is you. Ayan. Basta kung sino yung mas malaki yung skills. Kung sino yung mas hindi ko sinasabing mababa lang yung skills nung isa. Pero kung sino yung mas magaling, mas maraming alam. Especially sa mga bagay na ginagawa nyo sa buhay ngayon. I don't know how you would relate to that. Pero yung nakikita natin dito with the Magician, medyo mas maraming skills itong taong ito. So, what's with the Ten of Wands? This is the person that would not let you go. Someone who is very spiritual. We do have here the High Priestess, a soulmate energy. Someone who is very spiritual with the world. I feel like itong taong to ang kumukumpleto or kukumpleto sa'yo. So, I don't know why you are trying your best na lumayo or umiwas kasi just in case babalik ka sa buhay niya, nandyan pa rin siya. And then this person, we do have here the this is the Eight of Cups. I don't know why did I say the Hermit, no? Maybe you're dealing with a Virgo. So, or that person is a Virgo. So, ito wala naman to kinalaman sa love, pero yung iba, this is love reading, yung iba wala. So, with the Eight of Cups, this is like your person, this person, particularly, iniisip niya yung future. Hindi lang yung future niya, guys, yung future mo din. Okay, ngayon na umalis ka sa buhay ko, paano ka na? Ano na mangyayari sa future mo? Diba? Maybe this person feels like siya yung makakatulong sa'yo. Makukumpleto ka pag nandyan siya. And then you are this person trying your best na lumayo, umiwas. And maybe nakikita niya na we can help each other matutulungan natin ng isang, we can be allies, parang ganun. Pwede tayo magkakampi, magkapatid, magtulungan, but you're trying your best na wag ipakita or huwag makipag-usap or hindi gamitin ang utak mo. Parang ganun yung nakikita natin sa kanya. And then this person is more spiritual person. And spiritually nararamdaman niya or feeling niya walang mangyayari sa pag lumayo ka or umalis ka. Yeah, this person is thinking your future. Hindi lang yung future niya. Iniisip niya rin ang future mo. So, ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Spirit guides, angel guides for our Libra. Anong gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? And, I want to be more than friends. Or, yung iba sa inyo, kung ito ay walang kinalaman sa love, this means na itong person na ito, gusto niya ng wag mawala yung friendship sa inyo. If this is friendship or katrabaho kind of energy, ayaw niyang mawala kung ano man yung friendship or kung ano man yung naging meron sa inyo. This person wants more. Parang may plano kasi talaga siya sa'yo eh. Kung hindi man nagkaroon ng pagkakalayo na nangyayari ngayon. I want you. This person still wants you. Gusto ka pa rin niya. I mean, gusto ka pa rin niya. If this is like a katrabaho, gusto ka pa rin niya katrabaho. This person still wants you in now and in his or her future. So, nagigets mo yun. Kahit pa paano, napamahal na rin naman itong taong ito sa'yo. You do have here, I love you. And you do have here, I regret lying to you or I regret whatever kung ano man yung ginawa niya sa'yo na naging dahilan kung bakit lumalayo or umiiwas ka. Pinagsisisihan niya yon. And we will be together again. So, I told you this person wants you to be together again. Gusto niya magkabalik kung ano man yung mga wala, nasira. I wish I could share my good news with you. So, whatever will happen in the future, sana nandun ka pa rin. So, I can share whatever I have with you. Diba? Parang kung ano yung meron siya, gusto niyang maging, ano ba yun? Parang gusto niyang i-share din sa'yo. And you do have here, you came closer than anyone. So, kahit pa paano napaka-close or napakaibigan na itong person na ito talaga sa'yo. So, yun yung mga messages na nakikita natin coming from this person. So, ano yung nafe-feel niya ngayon for you? Spirit guides, angel guides for Libra. You do have your self-indulgence. So, sa ngayon, iniisip ng person ito ang kanyang sarili. We do have healthy choices. Yeah, this person is thinking about his or herself. We do have your stab in the back. So, nasaktan siya. Nasaktan mo siya for whatever kind of decision ang ginawa mo. Or maybe yung paglayo, pag-iwas na ginagawa mo sa kanya with the runner. Yeah, and kung ano man yung ending na nangyayari sa inyo with the coffin. So, masakit para sa kanya yun. But pinipili muna niyan sa ngayon ang sarili niya. So, what will happen in the future for you? In the future for Libra, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Libra, in the future, you do have here the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Swords. Tell me more, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. The Tower and the Empress. Clarify the Empress, please. Hindi ko kukunin tong ibang marami, but I will take the one na lumalis. Actually, whatever is happening right now, nakakita ka ng mga new beginnings sa'yo. I can see offers in the near future for you with the Empress. I feel like the Empress is going to give you the new beginning. This one. And the Page of Pentacles. This is the Page of Cups. And the Ace of Pentacles. Someone here with the Empress energy is going to offer you something. May offer siya. And this could be a new beginning for you. Hindi ko alam kung uminom ko man ng soda or what. This could be a reading. So, ayun, nakakita tayo dito ng parang offer sa'yo. Kasi may ending eh. There's an ending for you. This could be an offer of career, offer of money, offer of something na parang hindi mo kayang tanggihan. This is like, you do have here the Five of Swords. Someone is going to save you kung ano man yung mga problema na pagdadaanan mo sa pera. And this particular offer can save you. Ayan. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo ngayong problema sa pera, etc. Kaya nga hindi ko siya nakikitang tatanggihan mo. Because with the Queen of Cups, this is you taking this offer ng buong buo. And yeah, the world is here. So, definitely you would take this offer. Okay? In the future. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please show support and love, no? By commenting kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay sa akin, guys, yung comments ninyo, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Any comment positive will do. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching. Unicorn Princess Tarot, that is my TikTok account. Please do follow me there. Diyan ako magla-live and also sa Madam P Vlogs. Sa ngayon, diyan lang sa dalawang account na yun nabanggit ko. Diyan lang ako magla-live, okay? Yung Madam P Vlogs po ay sa YouTube. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.